Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic calculator using Java code. If you learn the basic concept, you can use any language. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a new file named basic calculator. As you can see, there is automatically class created named basic calculator. Now I input the main function. In main function we declare four variables named char operator that took single character from the user and double num1, num2 and result to store numbers. Also create new scanner SE to store input from user. Now we give an options to the user to choose any one of them to perform a task and then ask the first and second input. To perform calculator task, we use switch case statement in which whenever we input plus, minus, multiply or divide, the result is performed according to the given operator and numbers. If we input any other operator than plus, minus, multiply or divide, the default output invalid operator appears. For example, we input plus character, then we input 55 and then 45, the output will be 100. I hope you guys understand this program. Thank you.